Choosing the right professional camera is essential for photographers and videographers aiming for high-quality results. With cutting-edge technology, powerful sensors, and advanced image processing, these cameras offer stunning clarity, exceptional low-light performance, and high-resolution video capabilities. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, cinematic films, or fast action shots, having the right gear makes all the difference. In this video, we'll review the top 6 professional cameras that stand out for their features, durability, and performance. From mirrorless innovations to DSLR powerhouses, these cameras are designed for professionals who demand precision and excellence. Stay tuned as we explore their key specifications, advantages, and why they are the best choices for creative professionals. Let's begin. Number 1. Panasonic Digital Camera. The Panasonic Lumix G7 is a powerful 4K digital mirrorless camera designed for both photography enthusiasts and professionals. Featuring a 16-megapixel micro Four Thirds sensor, it delivers stunning image quality with sharp details and vibrant colors. The Lumix G Vario 14 to 42mm mega OIS lens ensures smooth, stabilized shots, reducing blur even in handheld photography. With 4K Ultra HD video recording, you can capture moments with cinematic precision, while the 3-inch LCD touchscreen offers intuitive controls. Its high-speed autofocus and burst mode make it ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects. The compact, lightweight design ensures portability, making it perfect for travel and vlogging. Experience professional-level photography with the Panasonic Lumix G7, your ultimate creative companion. Number 2. GoPro Action Camera. The GoPro Hero 13 Black is a waterproof action camera built for adventure seekers and content creators. Featuring 5.3K 60 Ultra HD video recording, it delivers crisp, lifelike footage with incredible detail. The 27-megapixel photo capability ensures high-resolution images, perfect for capturing every thrilling moment. Designed for extreme conditions, it's rugged and waterproof, allowing you to shoot confidently in rain, snow, or underwater. With hypersmooth stabilization, your videos stay steady even in high-action environments. The HB series lens compatibility expands creative possibilities, giving you more control over field of view and optical effects. Whether you're surfing, biking, or vlogging, the GoPro Hero 13 Black is the perfect companion for capturing epic, immersive content. Number 3. DJI Action Camera. The DJI Osmo Action 4 Essential Combo is a powerful 4K/120 FPS waterproof action camera designed for adventure enthusiasts and content creators. Featuring a 1x1.3-inch sensor, it delivers stunning low-light imaging with exceptional clarity and detail. The 10-bit and D-Log-M color performance ensures professional-grade color accuracy and dynamic range, making your footage more vibrant and cinematic. Built for extreme conditions, this rugged outdoor camera is fully waterproof, perfect for underwater adventures and harsh environments. With an impressive 160-minute battery life, you can capture more action without interruptions. Whether you're diving, biking, or vlogging, the Osmo Action 4 provides top-tier performance, smooth stabilization, and high-quality visuals for every thrilling moment. Number 4. Gavonde Digital Camera. The Gavonde 4K digital camera is an excellent choice for photography and vlogging, offering high-quality 4K video resolution and an 18x digital zoom for detailed and vibrant images. Designed for content creators and travel enthusiasts, this compact and retro-style camera features a 3-inch 180-degree flip screen, making it easy to capture selfies and vlogs from various angles. It comes with a 32GB TF card and 2 rechargeable batteries, ensuring extended recording time without interruptions. With its lightweight and portable design, it's perfect for both beginners and experienced photographers. Whether you're capturing YouTube videos, family moments, or travel adventures, the Gavonde 4K camera delivers exceptional performance, user-friendly controls, and outstanding photo and video quality. Number 5. Tupsio Digital Camera. The Tupsio 8K UHD 70-megapixel digital camera is built for adventure and durability, making it an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts and travelers. With rugged waterproof, dust-proof, and shock-proof construction, it can withstand harsh environments and capture stunning moments in up to 33 feet underwater. The dual-screen design allows for easy selfies, making it perfect for snorkeling, diving, and outdoor photography. Featuring autofocus and point-and-shoot functionality, it delivers high-resolution 70-megapixel photos and 8K UHD videos with incredible clarity. The included 32GB card ensures ample storage for all your adventures. Whether on land or underwater, this compact yet powerful camera is designed to deliver quality images with ease and endure extreme conditions. Number 6. Nikon Digital Camera. The Nikon Coolpix P950 is a powerful super zoom digital camera designed for both amateurs and enthusiasts. With an 83x optical zoom, it allows you to capture distant subjects in incredible detail, while the image stabilization ensures sharp photos even at high zoom levels. Featuring a 16-megapixel sensor and the ability to shoot 4K Ultra HD video, it offers exceptional image quality for both stills and video. The Wi-Fi connectivity makes it easy to share your photos instantly, and the RAW format support gives you more control over your image edits. Additionally, the rotating LCD screen makes it easier to shoot from various angles. Ideal for wildlife photography, sports, and landscapes, the P950 delivers top-notch performance.